Welcome to the King of Summer Finals, episode number 336. Who do we have here? We have the number 30 seed, Alex Griggs, making his TV debut.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Told me he made it by 1 and he's in the finals.
He did. Today's cut was 489 and he had 491. He made it by 2. Well, did anybody smarten him up? We're on the fresh.
We're on the fresh. This is his first final, so he's learning.
Right lane is 28-foot Great Drought. Left lane is the 52-foot Great Flood. A tradition here for the King of Summer Finals.
Yep, always been a tradition.
17 years, King of the Hill. 336 tournaments later. And Alex Griggs probably wasn't even born yet. Maybe he's 1 or 2. And maybe 3 or 4. But he starts with a spare.
He's up on the ledge.
And his opponent is the GOAT. 14-time King of the Hill champion, tied for the all-time lead, Gary Clark Sr. Qualified 4th today with 572. Gary's been in the King of Summer Finals before.
Won many times.
He won the King of Summer Finals not too long ago. Well, maybe 5 years ago or so. We'll have to look that up a little bit. That was the year he elected not to bowl me afterwards, because the winner today has a chance to bowl me, the king, for an extra $100 bonus. The hair used to be on the line in a haircut match. Cut the ponytail off, but got ruined a few years ago by a lefty from Mishawaka.
Oh, I think I know who you're talking about, Mr. Bill Crane.
Yeah, from Pound Cake Nation.
Pound Cake Nation, bring on the diapers.
That's right. He ruined that one. Had TP cut above the hair tie line and cut the hair way too short. Pissed off the queen. Therefore, the hair is not on the line anymore. So we moved to a $100 bonus match. Alright, back to the start with Griggs here. Griggs' interesting move. He was playing farther inside to the previous matches, but he moved right on that one.
The goal on this counter is to keep everything in front of you. Keep the head.
That's right.
Not give the headpin away.
It's a spare shooting day.
Most importantly, make your spares.
It's the name of the game, children.
Your game. Don't miss your spares.
Alright, holds all day there.
2 marks.
So Griggs on the right lane, looks like he's throwing plastic. He's throwing the old Ebonite Scream ball from the movie Scream. Oh, look at that ball. Hook. Oh, we got a spinner. Spinneroony cannot convert there.
Helicopter does not come through.
64 bowlers today. I think one of the most that we've had for a summer finals. We added $759 to the prize fund. First place here, this match is guaranteed $500. Second, it's paying $250 today. Oh no, he waves it goodbye.
Shake it, buddy.
That's my move, knock it off.
Can't do that to a crafty veteran like Gary Clark Sr. He's gonna eat this alive right here. You watch. He's on a double right now. Looks like he's throwing a Storm High Road Max.
Yes.
Oh, 10 pin still there.
9.5.
Top qualifier today was AJ Wilusz, 588.
Wow, not even close.
That's the first time I think we've had a cut under, or the top qualifier not hit 600.
That's crazy.
Check out those stats, Sean'sTournaments.com in the King of the Hill section. History is there. Gary Clark looking to make history tonight. Looking to take over the lead as the all-time King of the Hill leader.
Yep, it's definitely going to take over this.
Probably the first time to be a two-time King of Summer Finals champion. See if he elects to bowl me this time. He didn't want to cut my hair the first time he won, so he elected not to bowl me. Gary, one of the nicest guys out here.
Dude, I talked to him right before bowling. I always love talking to Gary.
Nicest guys, but most feared out here on the lanes.
Wish that was true.
Gary had games today of 223, 179, and 170. He won the first game pot at 223. Oh, ball's got a hook. All right, it's your favorite time of the night.
Path to the final, sponsored by AboveAllBowling.com for all your bowling needs.
Visit AboveAllBowling.com.
Visit AboveAllBowling.com.
All right, round of 31, Alex Griggs took out Mike Verbich. Round of 16, he beat Kelly Carpenter. Round of 8, he beat the Duck, Billy Gray.
The house shot champ.
Bill Gray,
Bill Gray, not
the
the
House
kid.
Shot Heroes World Champion of the summer of 2024. Greg's going Brooklyn.
Let's go, Brooke.
That's the way it started out. Final 4, he beat the number 2 seed Taylor Ellison. That was Alex Griggs' path to the finals today, looking for his very first title.
I think it's the first final debut in the summer final.
He said this is his 15 minutes of fame.
15 minutes of fame.
Well, I think this broadcast here is going to go on more than 15 minutes, but we'll see.
I think so.
Screen ball's hooking.
Screen ball is hooking.
Ball screaming.
It is.
Well, he's only down by 21 right now, as long as he picks up his spare.
Wants to go straight.
He had trouble on that last time over here shooting across lane. Let's see if he figures something out here. Alright, path to the finals for Gary Clark. Go ahead and say it.
Sponsored by AboveAllBowling.com.
Alright, round of 31. Gary beat Kevin Minky. In the round of 16, he took out Scott Tapley. In the round of 8, he beat Billy Robinson, 2024 Lakeshore Association Hall of Fame inductee. I'm not good enough to make that Hall of Fame, I guess. I've been blackballed for 5 years, but who cares? Final 4, he beat David Arce. David Arce won a King of the Hill the first week.
First week on the PBA LBC oil pad.
Wow, you've done your homework there,
I did my homework.
young Iron Man.
Yes, sir. And that was Gary's pass to the final, sponsored by AboveAllBowling.com.
Alright, Gary's got a 20-pin lead right now.
He does.
Plastic. That's right, it's a Maxim. Just enough on that lane. Well, that's the name of the game today, is staying clean, picking up your spares.
Yup. Here, Alex is throwing a gem.
Yeah, but Alex has a rotor grip gem on a 52-foot pattern. Cody, what were you throwing today on there?
I was throwing Storm Ice on the short pattern, and I was throwing the brand new MV Tour. I was throwing the MV Tour on the long pattern.
I saw everything from probably 80 grit all the way to plastic throwing down the middle.
Yup.
Every lane tended to be a little bit different because everybody was playing everything way different. Yeah, I see what is that, a Venom? An EJ Venom on the rack over there? I wonder whose that is.
I think that is in the, I think that's Alex's.
Well, he's only got one open right now, so he's still in the game. Down 21. Pin count matters. Probably flying the lanes pretty similar according to Specto. A little bit different. Let's see if we can get this on.
And the breeze almost bumped off! Oh my god, just chugging the breeze game's off! I heard that right when you were about to go.
Watching Alex the last few games, he comes alive at the end. You notice that?
Yeah.
Round of 8, Alex had like the last 6 to beat Bill Gray by like 20 pins. See what happens here. Oh, Gary's no stopping. No stopping him.
No stopping him.
21 pin lead now for Gary. Let's see what Gary's playing on this lane. So he's playing about the same line on both lanes.
Yep, I'm alright. Have to go
Just kind of throw it down the middle. Once again, the game pots tonight: 223 for Gary Clark, 209 AJ Wilusz. Game 2 is Vinny Trombetta, 223. Taylor Ellison, 192. Game 3 was Billy Gray, 230, and Mike Vervich, 225. Sticking with the gem. He has got to figure out this left lane.
He does.
What's he going to do here?
I think he should move left.
I don't think he's moving left.
He's moving left.
He's moving right, or he's staying in the same spot, and he's just trying to hit his target. He's got to be square with it. Not a bad shot.
Oh, he gets the break.
That could be a huge double right there.
That could be a very good.
That put him right back in the game.
That does put him right back in the game. But the kicker has got to finish on that.
Yeah, he's got to finish on that lane. I think Gary was setting him up.
Yeah, I think Gary's definitely setting him up.
Gary was the number 1 seed, had choice. He chose for him to start on the right, which makes Gary finish on the right. I've seen Gary finish on the right lane all day today, and he tends to double on the dry lane. Gary's got the best look on the dry lane. Smart move. Brooklyn. Oh! Now that just changed the script right there.
Alright. So,
Alright, Gary can max out at what, 224?
224. Alex at 223.
But don't deny him right now. Don't count him out, because he's right there. See, you can't count this guy out.
You can't.
There is no cutting out, because what's he going to do now? He's going to get up on his right lane here that he chose to finish on, and he's gonna force Alex to probably put up the first or 2 strikes. Actually, you can shut him out.
You can shut him out.
You can shut him out with 3 here. Oh!
Got a game.
So Gary can go 204 on a spare strike, which will definitely force Alex to throw the first one. One of these 2 bowlers is going to face the king in a little bit. Gotta have it. Alright.
Pressure 204. Alex in the first one.
Gary wants this one. Give him 15 titles.
15 titles.
Put him number 1 all time. He needs the count here.
He needs to count.
If he gets 8 or less, then there's a possibility of a tie. But if he strikes here, it's going to force Alex to get the first one. Oh, are we going Brooklyn? Alright, we got 9. But still, he's got to get the first one.
Gotta get first one. Gotta show up. Second the jump. What do you think your move is after last time stuff at the end?
Honestly, I don't move. I go Brooklyn.
You don't move, you go Brooklyn?
I go Brooklyn. That's my move. On this, you stay anywhere near the pocket. You figure it out. This is the biggest shot of his life coming up right here. For his first title. Got it out a little. Bucket 7 count. That is not enough. He needed, 200.
Good run for Alex. Great third round final.
Yeah, he had to have that. Needed the first strike. He's going to go back and look at the 3rd frame where he missed that time.
3rd frame, I guess it's going to be.
Yep. Gary with the clean game, 203.
Clean game, Spares win championship.
Clean game does it. Spares win championship.
He's going two-handed. Made the switch.
198 to 203. Gary Clark wins his 15th title.
Number 1.
Number 1 of all time. Now, does Gary bowl me? We'll find out here in just a minute. All right, we're going to sign off here. We're going to start this thing over again. We'll see you in a little bit.